Did you know there's a planet in our solar system where it literally rains diamonds? That planet is Saturn. Scientists believe Saturn's massive lightning storms break apart methane in the atmosphere. This creates tiny carbon particles, basically soot, that fall deeper into the planet. But here's the mind-blowing part. As they drop, the pressure becomes so intense that the carbon is crushed into solid diamonds. Yes, actual diamonds, forming like hailstones. Some of these diamonds are believed to grow as large as pebbles, rocks, even boulders before they melt into a sea of liquid diamond deep inside Saturn. Beneath those beautiful clouds, it might be raining precious gems, non-stop. Space is stranger and more amazing than we think. So the next time you look at Saturn's rings, remember this.